Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Sounds and Haptics. This is where alarm volume lives. Once there, use the ringer and alert slider to change alarm loudness directly and feel the sample tone. Make sure the side silent switch is up so the slider actually affects alarms. If you use Do Not Disturb, note its settings. Alarms still ring, but other sounds may be suppressed. This first step sets the baseline volume before we refine alarm-specific controls. Next, open Clock, edit an existing alarm or create a new one, because alarm sound selection affects perceived volume. Tap Sound to choose a tone. Loud tones and certain melodies play differently at the same slider position. Pick one that reads loud on your device. Once selected, set the time and save, then test the alarm with a short snooze so you hear it live. This confirms the combination of slider, tone, and system settings produces the wake level you need. Finish by running a real alarm test to confirm the level. Make sure you place the iPhone where you normally sleep, since positioning changes loudness. Once done, review focus or do not disturb exceptions to ensure alarms are allowed. Alarms are allowed by default, but custom focus modes can block notifications. If alarms still sound wrong, restart the iPhone and, if needed, reset all settings. One key troubleshooting tip: test with a different alarm tone to isolate tone versus system volume issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.